Hey everyone! If you're someone who's been dealing with knee pain for a while, or maybe you're thinking about knee replacement surgery, wait. You need to hear about this first. So, I was in the same boat, constantly dealing with that annoying knee pain that would just not go away. I thought, knee surgery is the only way out, but then I came across this incredible product, Ageless Knees. And let me tell you, I was honestly blown away. This program isn't just another quick fix. It's a simple, effective routine that takes just 1 minute a day. Imagine that. 1 minute to potentially feel like yourself again. What's even more amazing is that over 23,000 people have used this to reduce their knee pain without going under the knife. Here's the thing, knee replacement surgery comes with so many risks. Infections, nerve damage, and that long recovery period. It just sounded like too much for me. But with Ageless Knees, I found a non-invasive alternative that actually targets the real cause of knee pain, not just the symptoms. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, what if I'm over 60 or not very flexible? No worries. The exercises in the program are designed to be adaptable for anyone, regardless of age or flexibility. It's all about restoring your knee strength in a way that's safe and easy to do. And the best part? It doesn't require any expensive equipment or crazy gadgets. All you need is yourself, and maybe a little bit of time each day to commit to making your knees feel stronger and more stable. I've been following this routine for a couple of weeks now, and I've already noticed a huge difference. I'm not saying I'm 100% pain-free yet, but the improvement is noticeable, and I'm so glad I took the chance on this program. If you're like me and want a way out of that never-ending knee pain, you should definitely check it out. Just imagine the freedom of moving without pain again. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this helps some of you out there who are struggling with knee pain. Make sure you check out the link in the description to get started with Ageless Knees, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more tips and reviews.